this is Lisa Thompson from the Panorama Portarlington development team. I'm down on site today to do a site visit and also to provide an update on how things are progressing. Now, the weather's been particularly good down in Portarlington over the past couple of months, so we're making great progress with stage 1 and 2 construction. I'm going to take you down to those stages and do some more video from there, but we are on program, services are going into the ground and things are looking great. Now with stage 3, we're still waiting for council to issue development design approvals, and we're just waiting to close out the stage 3 tender. As soon as those two things occur, we'll roll straight into stage 3 construction. So everything's happening down at Portarlington. Come and take a look if you're driving past or you've got a weekend. We're really pleased with how things are progressing. Panorama is certainly coming out of the ground. Thank you.